In the old days, you had to put a battery in your battery charger to charge your camera. Nowadays, you got power adapters. Well, with the new cameras, the 5 volt, 20 volt, 30 volt, right here, these are just basically 5 volts right here. USB-A, USB-C, okay? So these charge cell phones and maybe tablets at the most on the 30 watts, okay? These three will charge tablets. These will charge cell phones. So when I bought the ZR, I was having problems. I was not charging all the way, and I went through cables. Of course, these are for the cell phone right here that take the old lightning ports. But when you charge a camera, you want to see the green light, and then when it's charging, you should see an orange light, and it shouldn't be blinking. And as you can see, the battery life on this is almost half done. I hit the menu, battery information, 57%, okay? So they say the camera can't charge with the power on. Well, what you need is kind of like a 65 watt. So I have two options here. One is I ordered this, and I'll put the link down in the description below, of this one right here. And you know what? Some more sticky. Peel this off. They really protect the stuff. I like this. It's simple. You just plug it in. I'll be using this on car vlogs, but also when you make sure you don't hit that, but put in a USB port, you see a green light. Now, what you need to see is an orange light for the Nikon cameras, and it should not be blinking. If it's blinking, that tells me that it's not charging properly. And the way you can find out is if you turn it on, you see a little cable or plug, and it's charging right now. And if I hit the menu, go into battery information, it's 57. Give it a little time, and it'll charge pretty quickly. And you can use this for trickle charging, where the battery won't deplete as fast like it did last night after 45 minutes. Then I found out I had the wrong battery in here. It was a third-party battery, which I didn't even know. But anyway, turn this off. That's number one. Number two, and you see, everything's connected to this. Yeah, little flashy thing on here too. But I like this setup. Nice, simple. You just plug it in, and they'll do your laptop, whatever. The original laptop always came with a brick. So you plug it into the adapter, 65 watt, but it did come with a USB-C cable. So here's another brand, which I'll put the link down below. You plug this in. And you see, this is more cumbersome, but I'm going to be putting this in another room where I have laptops and stuff. But the same thing. You put in the USB-C, green light. Now you want to see a fixed orange light to come on. And there you have it. If it's blinking, it's not charging the battery or inside the camera. So you would have to use it the old way, where you put the battery in to the battery charger. So just wanted to show you the nice things about battery charging. So I'll turn that off like that. Plug this bad boy in and let my camera charge. Green light. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.